Good morning, sunshine. Did you sleep well?
I did. And you know what? It's a good thing because we have a busy day ahead. So let's start it right with an amazing breakfast. Today I'm making 3 power bites. They are cheap, they are fast, and they will keep you fueled all morning long. Even if you've never cooked before, you will be able to make them. I promise.
Let's get into it. First, we have the peanut banana wrap. Take one wrap, smear on some peanut butter, slice a banana, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon, roll it up and go. That's protein, potassium, and carbs, all under 2 minutes. I call that a power bite. Pro tip, the cinnamon will help regulate your blood sugar. Less crashes, more focus. Next up, we have the spiced oats with lemon zest. Boil some oats, stir in some honey, add the zest of 1 lemon, a dash of nutmeg, and that's it. This combo wakes you up better than coffee. I love it. By the way, oats release energy slowly. That's clean fuel for your brain and body. Last but not least, we have the avocado egg toast. Toast a slice of bread. Mash avocado with a little salt and lemon. Add your boiled egg slices, and boom, healthy fats and protein under 10 cedis. So remember, breakfast isn't optional, strategic. If you want to win the day, start with a power bite. Try one of these tomorrow and post a pic with #BiteFuelChallenge. Let's build our mornings one bite at a time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. See you next time.